So I'm going to show you a couple functions in Instagram that you can use. They're right in the app, so all you have to do is use them, and I'm going to show you how these affect the photo that you're trying to upload, the video, whatever. So we're going to cover it on photos right now. So today I'm going to show you adjust. So adjust is kind of self-explanatory when you look at it, but you can do a lot of cool things. So you can see when I go into it, you can use this dial over here to change how your photo looks. So you can kind of skew it left or right. And let's see if I just hit cancel. So you can kind of also do it to one side, so you can make it bigger, smaller, so kind of like almost perspective. There's different things, and then you can do the same with the other axis, so kind of left and right instead of up and down. You can do different things, and the coolest thing is that let's say you have a multiple photos selected, you don't have to go back to select all of them and like resize them when you're selecting them from your gallery. All you have to do is go in here, and if the photo is big enough or if you need to resize it, just kind of do it over here and it'll work. So let's say, just for fun, I'm gonna zoom in all the way to my face, so cut out the bottom. So you can do it here, and you don't have to go back in any of the other photos. So if I hit done, we can do it here, and then you can just do it right when the selected photos are there, so you don't have to go back to your gallery, like I said. So you can just keep doing it, you can kind of play around with it, and save them. We'll be going to a lot of other functions in this series, so please stay tuned, follow and like, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, bye.